Sana iba din. Gawin din nila yung trabaho. Thank
Sir
you.
President, ganyan na ganyan yung tatay namin. Na pag humingi kami ng pera, sesermonan ka na. Pero pag na-justify mo, ibibigay naman. So hindi ko na ididebate. I appreciate both sides. I appreciate the side of Senator Robin. I appreciate the side of Senator Pia. Aminado naman si Senator Robin na...
Pero Mr. President, sorry,
Yeah.
ulitin ko lang ha, may 93 million na nga, hindi naman wala. So sana maintindihan din na may 93 million.
Yes.
So ngayon dahil sa paglabi, dinagdagan na. So sige na,
Yes.
okay na.
Sa request niyang 200, zero yung dagdag. Yun yung sinabi niya.
Pero wag palabasin na walang pera yung agency kasi may 93 million nga sila, Mr. President. Liwanagin ko lang
Yes.
yan. Para lahat ng mga post dyan,
Clear.
malaman naman na may 93 million
Yes.
naman ang agency. Ngayon nadagdagan, dahil kapatid kita at pinagbibigyan ko po kayo.
Thank
Yun
you
lang
very
po,
much.
Mr. President.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So Mr. President, ngayon naintindihan mo ba't siya nasa majority, ako nasa minority.
Joke yun, Mr. President ha. Alam ng lahat, hindi ko yan pinagbibigyan dahil kapatid ko, kabaliktaran pa nga ang mangyayari.
I think Senator Pia wants to interject.
Mr. President, if I may just add to the discussion, I was listening to Senator Alan's comments and the sponsor's response about having a 3-year plan to once and for all deliver the earmark amounts, no, syntax amounts over the next 3 years. Ang sa akin naman, and I understand that our chairperson, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, no one will question his ang kanyang kasipagan, his dedication, no, to come up with a good budget. But I'd like to propose that let's start the year 2026, right? Ibigay naman natin yung buong amount, 16B yung kulang. Kasi yun nga 296 billion yung kulang. May 60B na binigay, so that's still mga 226, tama? Around 220 plus pa yung kulang. So over 3 years, that's going to be 70 billion. At least buuin natin, that's my appeal. Buuin naman natin para lahat tayo dito na gusto mangyari yun, lahat ng health advocates, lahat ng nangangako, and that's the DOH and PhilHealth na kaya nilang tuparin yung ZBB, give it a fighting chance by giving that entire amount for 2026. Deliver that entire amount, and that is 16 billion.
Which for the record
That
is,
is lacking.
for the record, it's 207 billion. At nilagay natin is ang kailangan ng PhilHealth, according to Dr. Danz, guys, the 147 plus the 60. Ang binibigay natin 130. So ang kulang natin for next year is 77.
Well, just to be clear, yung pino-point out ng advocates, and Dr. Danz is one of those, is yung shortage ng indirect contributions, no? Ang sa akin, but then the question will always be, where will you get the funds? Ito na nga yung funds. So I'm talking about the funding side. They're talking about what the law requires that you fund. The law requires that you fund these indirect contributors. Talagang tama yung numbers nila, kulang yan. I'm talking about may fund na nga eh. May fund na earmark, certified by BIR.
Ibigay na lang.
So I'm just saying that at the very, very least, because I honor the chairman's commitment to fix this over the next 3 years. Kaya lang, Mr. Chairman, 2 years ka na lang dito, hindi ka na senador. So paano tayo sa pangatlong taon?
Makakaya 2 years. Makakaya 2 years.
But yun sa akin naman, na show of good faith, buuin naman ng Senado yung syntax kasi this is not an unfunded law. This is the money has been collected. The money is sitting in some other department. Yeah. And I will let Senator Alan go into that. Nasaan ba? Nasa DPWH ba? Nalunod ba yon sa flood control? The money is there. It's collected. So it's our job to make sure that i-deliver yan sa PhilHealth. Yun lang naman kasi I cannot be complicit to this disappearance of these funds that have been collected, BIR certified.
And maybe for the people who are watching us, Senator Pia, we can explain why. Kasi kung every year, mag-argue pa tayo between what's urgent, what's important, and what's in FAD, mahirap. That's why nga nilagay sa batas yung earmarking. Because we know, sundin nyo lang yung earmarking, magkakaroon ng sufficient fund because we know pag healthy ang citizenry, productive. Especially if you start sa primary health. Pero kung hindi healthy ang citizenry, Kahit anong gawa mo ng airport, tourism, kahit, di ba, that's why nga EDCOM goes into stunting eh. Dahil nga, hindi lang naman yung tinuturo mo. Kamusta ang physical, emotional, mental na kalagayan ng bata pagpasok sa school. So, well taken yung interjection, but yun nga, yung sa akin naman ang point of view ko, simple lang, no? How much ang kailangan talaga ng PhilHealth to be able to deliver the no billing, kasi ang dami ng stress ng Pinoy eh. And yun nga, di ba, I sorry kung sino mismo nagsabi nito, but we'll follow kung sino yung quote. Di ba yung sinasabing hanggang sa upper middle class eh, you're one illness away from poverty eh. At talagang hindi mo malalaman kung saan kukunin mga ito, no? So, Mr. President,
Mga vulnerable
Yeah.
sectors.
I might forget lang, no? Because nga yung, I'm speaking actually, Senator Joel and I are speaking for the whole 9-person minority. I haven't been in touch with Senator Bato, but katulad ng Mindanao Railway, every hearing binabanggit niya eh. So I'm doing my part to express his wishes.
Alam ko na expropriate na yata yung lupa niya dun.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken.
Yung bahay na Bato,
Yung bahay niya.
tatamaan ng ng bahay ni Bato, hindi bahay ng na Bato. Bahay ni Bato tatamaan ng railway, which he gladly gave up for as long as matuloy yung project. So sa tanong naman ni Senator Robin, no, about I think some of the letters were sent to the subcommittee chairperson, Senator Pia. So I see it reflected naman, just for the record, no. So may additional 100 million, tama? Sa
Yes.
National Commission on Indigenous
Actually,
People.
until 10 o'clock, nag-uusap pa ho kami ni Senator Pia. But I'll let Senator Pia answer that.
And I will warn everyone, I am not as calm as the chairman when it comes to this topic. Because as I said during the defense of the budget, and I think all our colleagues can attest that in the 7 years that I've handled the budget, I follow our protocols. I'm very consistent. We give every agency the opportunity to make their appeals during the hearing or briefing. We give them a deadline so that we can include if they are able to comply and if they're able to satisfy the requirements. We include it in the committee report that we submit to the chairperson. May sulat na pinadala. Wala naman detalye. 200 million for mapping and cadastral survey and mapping. 200 million. Something like that. I always ask the agency to justify. Malay ko ba kung magkano magpa-mapping? Malay ko ba kung isang engineer lang gagawa nun? Malay ko ba kung mag-hire sila ng isang construction firm to handle that? And remember, with all the anomalies going on, we have to be careful. And I have colleagues, I don't know if they want to be mentioned, that they told me na ang daming kalokohan dyan. So it's my job to protect what we are endorsing. So yun lang naman hinihingi ko. Kailan ko natanggap yung breakdown ng 200 million? Kagabi, anong oras? Ngayon, this morning. Tapos magagalit sa akin ang colleague natin. It is my job to present to you a budget that I have been able to justify, that I have been able to vet. Now, what is the utilization rate? Common yan. Ask anyone here who has chaired a committee, tatanungin ka ng chairman, what is the utilization rate? Yung budget nila last year, 9 million, 6 million. Ang utilization ng unang sinabi sa amin, 50% of 6 million. Tapos binigyan sila humingi sila sa NEP at binigyan sila ng 93 million. From 6, nag-jump sa 93. Oh, ang ganda naman nun, di ba? Hindi naman sila humingi ng mas marami. So dito sila ngayon humihingi. No problem, that is our job. Pero i-justify nyo naman sa akin ng maayos. So pag naglabi naman sa inyo ang mga agency, i-justify nyo lang naman. Yun lang naman ang sinasabi ko. So I can do my job well. Yun lang naman. Pero kinonsider ng ating chairman, dahil tayo naman lahat dito, nagmamalasakit naman sa mga IT. So I just want to point out that I am just doing my job.
Yeah.
Sana yung iba din, gawin din nila yung trabaho. Thank
Mr.
you.
President, ganyan na ganyan yung tatay namin. Na pag humingi kami ng pera, sesermonan ka na. Pero pag na-justify mo, ibibigay naman. So hindi ko na ididebate. I appreciate the work you're doing. At it's justified. You know, kung ang titingnan natin ay yung law utilization, wala tayong bibigyan na departamento kasi kalahati ng departamento natin mababa yung utilization. Now, yung kadastre, yes, madaming anomalya, pero mas malaking anomalya yung nagkakamkam ng lupa at yung napapatituluhan nila sa pangalan nila nasa IP. So again, no, I appreciate both sides. I appreciate the side of Senator Robin. I appreciate the side of Senator Pia. Aminado naman si Senator Robin na
Pero Mr. President, sorry,
Yeah.
ulitin ko lang ha, may 93 million na nga, hindi naman wala. So sana maintindihan din na may 93 million.
Yes.
So ngayon dahil sa paglabi, dinagdagan na. So sige na,
Yes.
okay na.
Okay.
Pero may 93 million, hindi zero ang binigay. Nabigyan sila ng 93 million
He
from
never
6
said zero.
million.
He said sa request niyang 200, zero yung dagdag. Yun yung sinabi niya.
Pero wag palabasin na walang pera yung agency kasi may 93 million nga sila, Mr. President. Liwanagin ko lang
Yes.
yan. Para lahat ng mga post dyan,
Clear.
malaman naman na may 93 million
Yes.
naman ang agency. Ngayon nadagdagan, dahil kapatid kita at pinagbibigyan ko po kayo.
Thank you
Yun lang
very
po,
much.
Mr. President.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So Mr. President, ngayon naintindihan mo ba't siya nasa majority, ako nasa minority.
Joke yun, Mr. President ha. Alam ng lahat, hindi ko yan pinagbibigyan dahil kapatid ko, kabaliktaran pa nga ang mangyayari. Pinagbibigyan ko dahil mahal po natin ang mga indigenous people. Pero tayo po, babantayan natin ang agency na gamitin nila ng tama yung pera. Yun lang naman
Yes.
po. Kasi kung si Alan lang ang humihingi, I will always listen. Pero kailangan pa rin ma-justify. Thank you po.
Yes.
Okay, correct. Next topic.
Okay.
Nang pigain, tapos na.
Yes.